There's always a little excitement that comes with unboxing something new, especially a wig. You're curious to see if what you ordered actually matches what you imagined. This time, it's the brown highlight silky short bob wig from Luvme Hair. Inside the box, a custom hair clip, an elastic band, lace skin tape, a hanging air freshener, HD wig caps, a label card, and a mesh storage bag for the wig. Everything's neatly packaged, useful, and ready to go. Before trying it on, I like to get a good look at the construction because that's what determines how comfortable and realistic a wig will be. This one is a glueless 5x5 closure with pre-cut HD lace. The lace feels soft and flexible, which makes it easier to melt and blend. The knots are small and lightly bleached, which helps with a cleaner scalp look once tinted. Inside, the cap is lightweight but secure. You'll find removable combs, adjustable straps, and an elastic band already sewn in, so you can tighten or loosen it to your liking. The interior is made with a breathable mesh that helps keep the scalp cool, and the seams are cleanly stitched. No rough edges, no bulky corners. Then there's the style, a short layered bob with warm brown highlights blended into a silky base. The color placement is natural. It gives brightness around the face without looking streaky. The hair texture is smooth with a slight bounce. When I run my fingers through it, it moves easily and falls right back into place. Even before styling, it holds its shape, which is exactly what I like to see in a bob cut. They also sent me this new robe, which is really pretty. It fits the whole presentation, simple and soft. Now, for the first try on, I always show this part exactly as it is, straight out of the box, no adjustments. The fit feels good right away. The lace sits flat across the forehead, but it's a bit lighter than my complexion, and there's a small amount of lifting near the temple. Nothing major, just what you'd expect from a pre-cut glueless lace before melting it down. The cut itself is beautiful. You can see the body and natural movement as soon as it's on. But some pieces aren't uniform, especially at the ends, likely from being packaged. But still, I can tell the potential immediately. The color blends perfectly with my skin tone. The texture is soft, and the hairline looks promising once it's tinted and styled. So far, it looks very close to what was shown online. It just needs a little bit of customization to come to life. And as I mentioned, the lace did need a little bit of tinting, so I tinted it using a warm tone lace tint spray. That way it would match my skin better. I also off camera melted the lace to help it stay flat along the hairline. Both of those products that I used were from Kiss. If you're interested in trying them out, I'll leave the links down below in the description. I also restyled the hair off camera using my round brush dryer to smooth the ends and add some bounce, just to bring back the shape that it lost in transit. Those small steps made a big difference. Now the lace tone blends naturally with my skin, the hairline looks clean, and the bob moves the way it's supposed to. Sleek but soft. The highlights are more noticeable now that the style is refreshed. You can really see the dimension in the light, and the layers frame the face beautifully without needing any trimming. This is how I like my wigs to look: believable, lightweight, and easy to maintain. And here is the real test, side by side with the website listing. On the left, you'll see the product page from Luvme's website. On the right is the final result after tinting and styling. And honestly, it's identical. The same color placement, the same shape, the same natural shine. What I ordered is exactly what I got. And that's rare. And it's one of the reasons I continue working with this brand. Consistency and accuracy. What you see online is exactly what shows up at your door. I wore this wig out later that same day to see how it looked in a more natural and real setting. We went to a restaurant, and here you can see what it looks like under that lighting. The hair looks just as good in this restaurant as it did under my studio lights. The color tone stayed rich and the movement was still there even after hours of wear. This is the final look. Easy to install, simple to style, and true to its promise. If you've been wanting to try this wig, now is the perfect time. Love Me Hair and I are offering 28% off, which makes this wig less than $100. It's our way of saying thank you for the continued support on this channel. Using the discount link below not only helps you save money, but it also supports me in creating more honest, high quality reviews like this one. You'll find the direct product link, coupon code, and all the details down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in the next one.